I dropped a little bit. It's okay. I'm taking this. Oh, I'm dropping everything.
McKay. Drop.
Hey guys, it is the Freebie Babe here, and I am back with another video showing you guys how you can get free items in the mail. And this time around, it is the Daily Goodie Box. So each and every month, I unbox these 100% free products. There are some freebies. There are some samples inside, and also there are full-size products in these boxes, and I love them. I will have all the details across the screen. I will have all the information down below in the description box, as well as the information and links to all the products in this box. And if you guys are interested in seeing previous months, then you guys can check out my playlist. And let's go ahead, get into this box and see what October has. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a good box. So this first one here is from Crunchsters. Crunchsters has this smoky balsamic sprouted protein snacks. Oh, okay. So up close, this is what it looks like. This is the product bag. I actually love this packaging, and it's very sturdy. I dropped a little bit. It's okay. But yeah. Get it close up. This is what they look like. Let's give it a try. This is such a unique taste where you kind of feel like you can taste sunflower seeds, but then you also feel like you can taste peanuts, but not really. Let me see. What is in here? I was right. Yeah, there's sunflower in here. There's sunflower oil. I taste that vinegar. And they said there's also sprouted mung beans that are in here. So yeah, this is one of those products where you can take this and in between like a meal and stuff, you can just have a little snack. One that you don't feel guilty about. So this next one here, oh, it's something I can drink. This is Electrolyte. This is an electrolyte beverage, and it's premium hydration in the flavor grape, and magnesium, potassium, calcium. It has basically everything inside of this 10-ounce bottle. It smells good and sweet. So, will my taste buds deceive me? Seriously. I was not expecting to like this at all. Okay, it's just a great drink. That's literally what it is. This is the type of thing where if it was frozen, you would literally drink it in one sitting. I'm surprised. I'm shocked. I'm impressed. Okay, I see you, Electrolyte. I see you. You got me with that one. I'll be honest. You got me good. So this next one here is a Patterbar. I like that name. Patterbar is a clean energy bar that is a mix of coconut and cashew, and this is made in Denver. So this is USA, baby, homegrown. So let's get a taste of this. And a look. They always look like this. I don't know if it's because a lot of them have like these type of ingredients, but they always look and smell the same. I'm gonna try it out. Okay. Okay, Patterbar. I thought it said patty, but it's actually Patterbar. I'm impressed. So this next one here is ice chips. Ice chips candy with real peppermint. Resealable. Yeah. See? Got your resealable bag. You don't have to worry about your other little peppermints falling out. And when I opened it, it smells like the holidays. I don't know about anybody else, but I love the smell of apples, oranges, and peppermint around the holidays. That smells so good. But I was not expecting this. I was thinking it was going to be peppermint but it actually is just these chips. It's like I took them. It's like I took ice out the freezer. But yeah, there it goes. Try one. Oh my God. I'm taking this. Oh, I'm dropping everything. When I tell you, these ice chips, I'm taking these to work with me today. These are, oh my God, they're so good. Once you bite into it, it's a burst of cold in your mouth. It literally starts to get cold as you start chewing it. So this is Spatty, and it says, get to the bottom of it. Cosmetic. How do you use that? I've needed this so bad. So with this little sponge tip here, you can take this, stick it into that bottle you're not ready to throw away yet for your foundation, and get all of it out the creaks and crevices. You ever seen a product and you say to yourself, why didn't I think of that? Spatty, the people that created this, you guys are smart. I cannot believe I never thought of that. I would just sit there and throw away stuff, and now I don't have to. I got excited. I got so excited because I thought this was going to be like some foundation to go with that brush, but that's okay. That's all right. I'm still happy because what I received is some aromatherapy scent. ADORAtherapy Room Boost. And this is in the scent lavender and chamomile. How cute is this box? Seriously. And what do you have? Your aromatherapy. You spray it in the room and boost it. Let's see what this smells like. Woo. Have a common smell to it. It's not strong. It's not overpowering. It's literally just a little mist, and smell in the air is simple, nice, sleek. When I tell you, I am so sad. I am down to my last product in the box. It ended with a bang because I have some heat holders, and they say these are the warmest thermal socks. So back when I first started unboxings, I had another pair of thermal socks, and I believe they were in the color like gray, which I still wear. And let me just say, they were perfect. Okay, while I was pregnant, I was able to use them at the hospital, and I never got cold while we were there. But I'm happy because I got some more just in time for the holiday season, guys. Yes, they say that these are the new ones that are scientifically tested, and they are over 7 times stronger than the last. So yeah, these heat holders are perfect, and they are my size. I'm so excited. So yeah, let me see. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, look at that thick fleece on the inside. Come on now. Come on, people. I'm happy. Now they have a couple of coupons here at the bottom of the box. For the first one that I tried, which is the Crunchsters, they have a 75 cents off of any one pack of their product. And I will be using this because this is my favorite. Oh, okay, so the actual product comes like this. So for these that I mentioned that I said were just like amazing, they have this, and they have a discount code. So you can use the discount code 1010 and you can get 10% off of your shop when you go to icechips.com. So yeah, guys, if you like this unboxing, and give it a thumbs up, comment down below some of the items that you have received in your daily goodie boxes, and if you're going to be signing up for Daily Goodie Box if you haven't. And of course, guys, remember all of the information for Daily Goodie Box can be found on their website, and you have another chance at receiving a Daily Goodie Box by checking out the Daily Goodie Box on Facebook. And of course, guys, if you're interested in knowing more about the products and purchasing those that we're seeing in this video today, you guys can find all of the information in my description box. And guys, I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye. I'm back in this pack. I can't believe this. Oh, that's so good.